Okay, perfect. I can see your CV.
Yes, my city.
Yeah, thank you. Okay, can you introduce yourself?
Sure. I'm currently second year in GCU, student in process products. Responsible person, and I really learning programming process. Right now, I'm looking for internship to gain experience.
Okay, perfect. What do you know about your company?
Uh, from what I've been seeing your company focuses a lot on quality, continuous improvement, um, which I think is very important.
Perfect. What did you study?
I study in production processes where I learn here about quality, efficiency, process improvement.
Okay, perfect. What experience do you have?
Um, no, most of my experience is academic.
Okay. What are your strengths?
Um, I will I go I know I am responsible. The new oriented I work.
Okay, it's fantastic. What are your weaknesses?
Sometimes I focus too much on details, but I building, improving my time management.
Okay. Where do you see yourself in 5 years?
Um, I see myself by my experience, growing professionally, contributing to a company.
Okay, perfect. Thank you very much for your time. We got you.
Thank you. I was nice meeting you.
Okay.